Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Vlogmas Day 9. Oh my god, we're entering the 2 digits from tomorrow. Hello, in today's video we're gonna do wardrobes because I can physically not get anything in this beautiful wardrobe. Can you see how bad it is? This is how bad my wardrobe looks like. I usually clean it every 2-3 months, but it is so cluttered. It is so cluttered, so we're gonna do this now and then we're gonna go have lunch, okay? Let's go. Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time run. Okay. Half an hour later, I feel this is much better. It is still crowded on the top right here in the middle layer, but those are all the tops that I wear in the house, and all of these are something that I like to kind of keep wearing and discarding. So this is perfect. I still have 4 more drawers to do that. I will be doing that a little later, but I'm very hungry. So quickly let's get freshened up and go have breakfast, like lunch for me. Hi guys, we are still tackling my wardrobe today and I want to get it like as neat as possible. I'm so happy with the first, like the middle drawer, because that is basically where I have all of my loungewear. I have a lot of my, I don't know, shorts and pajamas and all of that. The top part has all of my going out kind of dresses. Then we have a little bit of my nighties and night dress. Then I have my lingerie. And all of my party dresses are down, like literally the last thing. So I'm thinking, why not we start from the down, because it's easier for me to like mount this and for you guys to see. So let's do, also I have like 2 DIY projects right here that we're gonna do at the end of the day, because these 2 are projects that will take a little more time. So yeah, let's get started with the niche ka part. Oh, also I'm watching Harry and Meghan, the Netflix series that came out. I'm in episode 3 already. So yeah, it is a much more bad than we ever thought. It's very scary to kind of see such kind of royal things, like people we feel very happy are not actually happy. So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna stop talking and do this. Okay, I mean do this and watch that. Around, keeping people pleased, but this is my favorite holiday. I have always told you guys in the video that I have a lot of nighties that I took from my mom. There are a few of mine. So today I'm gonna show you guys the amount of nighties I have. Okay, I feel like this is a fun Indian way. It's a chance to start over new, 'cause I'm something that started off as a 5-minute thing that I'm gonna do just to like clean it out turned to be a very intense cleaning, and I'm crying. Oh my god, my floor is filled with my clothes and I have to like stuff them in, and now I don't have any place. Why? Hi guys, hello. It's around 3 o'clock now, and it's been an hour since I've done this, and I still have a lot of things, like few knickknacks here and there to clean up. So I'm gonna take another break. I cannot do anything for a long period of time, so I'm taking a little bit of a break. I have this pile of clothes right here. These all have to go inside, and I have to sort out. I find only one glove there and one glove here. Something that is happening. So but at the last, oh, also this is the entire winter wear of mine that I have to put it in the other wardrobe. So I think we have another 2 hours work, so I'm gonna take a break now. I'm gonna pull a stretcher for the 2 hours and then be done. I think my skin is going through something suddenly, lot of redness. I don't know why. Not used anything new, but in the video I can see there's a lot of redness. Anyways, yeah, let me take a break and be back. I don't know what's up with me today. I have already taken 3 naps. If I can stop myself from yawning. I really don't know. I feel so And this room is kind of making me scared. Okay. Let's get this done. Oh my God, I'm so... I cannot stop yawning. I'm so tired. I don't know why in the world today was the day I picked to do this. I could have done it over the weekend. No, I had to do it today when you're very sleepy and tired. And I could just sleep and enjoy, but I had to do this. So my life is very, 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 very happy about it. And now let's get started with this remaining cleaning, okay?
Missed you so I'm letting go of everything but you.
I'm done with cleaning one part of the wardrobe, so I will be doing the second part tomorrow, so stay tuned for part 2 of my wardrobe cleaning. But let's do the part 1, okay? Are you guys ready? Oh my god, I'm really excited. Dun, dun. The first shelf has all of my jeans, a lot of my fancy tops, coats and all of that. The second row is my loungewear and like little napkins and all of that. This is my lingerie, this is my night dresses, and this is my fancy skirts and all of that. I have my passports there, I will remove that later on. But yeah. Also, this room is still a mess. I'm really tired, so I will be doing this room. The second half of cleaning this side of the closet tomorrow because today I'm out of breath. So yeah, but I'm really happy about it. I really like how nice this is. And I kind of like cleaning up every once in 2 months because it kind of makes sense for me. So yeah. The other day I told you guys that I'll be showing you guys another haul wherein I'll order all my snacks and all of that. These are all unhealthy junk that I kind of order once in a while. So I'll show you guys that. Alrighty, this is the bag. It's so heavy. The first ones that I have are these Cheetos cheese puffs. I really like snacking on them, especially there are waves wherein I go through that I want to crave something so bad, so I got these. Then we have cheese balls. These are the peppy cheese balls. I remember getting these for 10 rupees. Now you don't get a 10 rupees packet. This is like a 60 rupees packet. Then we have, this is something what Lalit ordered. This is the Nutella. Oh my god, this comes with Christmas packaging. You know, I have every single dabba of Nutella I've ever had till date. I have every single dabba. It comes with cute hearts over it. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Look at those hearts, really pretty. Then this is my absolute favorite snack. This is the Cheetos ka masala balls. I love these so much. So I have these. I have like doubles and triples of all of these. Then we have little hearts. This is my mom's absolute favorite snack. She only used to eat this. So we got this. And then couple of Cokes because I can physically not live without Coca-Cola. I need to ingest one at least in my body. So I have a lot of these. All of these are like doubles and triples of those. But yeah, those are all the junk that I've ordered this month. Oh my god, I'm really happy. I've never been this happy even when I ordered provisions, but I'm very happy today. Hi guys, it's 10 o'clock and I have this severe headache bolting down on my head. I'm about to end the video, but I realized I do have a doctor in the house. So I'm just calling my cousin so that I can ask him why is this headache coming. Okay. Hello Sparsh, तू line पे है? बोल. मतलब क्यों कॉल करती तेरे को मैं? कोई मेडिकल डाउट है तो कॉल करती. Thank you. Nowadays, no, I'm getting a lot of headache, यार. वो मैं बताऊं क्यों दी? क्यों? बताऊं? बुरा मत मानना. बोलो. वो खाली है ना, अंदर कुछ नहीं है ना? चप्पल उठा के मारते नहीं. नो, whenever I trace back and I see it's not that. वही तो बोल रही हूँ ना, मैं रोज पीती हूँ ना. नीचे झुकी तो कुछ नहीं हो रहा है. But when I nod my head, it's like a pendulum that goes like ऐसा बोल के लग रहा मुझे. समझ में आया तेरे को pendulum? How do I explain you? अरे जैसी घंटी रहती है ना. हाँ. डार्ट के छोड़ अरे रोज हेडेक वस्तुదని కలగంటానారా
अरे ये रोज वस्तु कंटिन्यू कर दक्का इपड़े
हाँ मतलब मैं सोची कि नहीं आएगा वापस so I have dolo I put dolo I know today we were in the house and we were doing a lot of cleaning and all of that but tomorrow we have a beautiful day because tomorrow is a very fun day you don't want to miss tomorrow's vlog so stay tuned I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, come join my family, it will mean a lot to me and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.